They also got these big solar panel lights that can carry 250 watts of electricity that will be stored on a battery for your house use. So there, you connect the solar panel to this battery, and then you connect your kanang imong control non sana breaker diha, electric breaker. So the solar panel will be here. That's 49,000 for the set. So this one, gamay ra lang niga, 11.5. So they also got the, if you see the solar panel here, this is also for those small solar panel, but we are talking about the big solar panel here that you can store in the battery that can also carry until 250 watts. Maximum is 250 watts. So that's the one they have here, but they have also a smaller one in which you can connect to the smaller battery. This one is 11,000. Ang 49,000 apil na ma'am. So the big one, the big solar panel is 49,000 including the battery that you can just control by yourself.